Okay, so now we can proceed to removing the rear wheel. But before doing that, I made this kind of setup because I removed the front wheel and I'm afraid it can fall down, so it should be okay. And now I can easily, slightly raise the rear wheel. Okay, so to remove rear wheel, we're need to do a couple things. Let me show you. We're gonna need to loosen up the axle, remove this bolt, and from our side too. And we need to loosen up this bolt. And this one is for rear caliper. So when you unscrew this bolt, then you can push it a little bit up, and it should be enough to take the rear wheel, at least in theory. So let's try to do that. Okay, so this bolt gonna be 12 millimeters. So now this one caliper release bolt is size 14. Now we can unscrew this bolt. It's size 27. I already loosened up this bolt. Okay, now let's release this bolt. It's size 22. Okay. Whew. Hey. Right.